Hi, good morning students. How are you? I hope everyone good and enjoying yourself. And today in this video, I am going to continue the story. Every success story is also a story of great failures, where I stopped in the previous video. Hoping everyone understanding it. Okay, I am going to read it. Next paragraph. As a young cartoonist, Walt Disney faced many rejections from newspaper editors who said he had no talent. One day, a minister at a church hired him to draw some cartoons. Disney was working out of a small mouse infested shed near the church. After seeing a small mouse, he was inspired. That was the start of Mickey Mouse. You know, students, now in this paragraph, we are going to know about Walt Disney sir. You know, Walt Disney wants to become a great cartoonist in his life. But before he became a great cartoonist in his life, he faced a number of rejections from the newspaper editors. So of course we definitely know, daily in our newspapers we get some cartoon figures. So actually Walt Disney sir also thought in that same way. He wants to publish his cartoons in the newspaper. That's why he met many newspaper editors and he asked to publish his cartoons. But one day he drawn number of cartoons at a church. But while going, a minister watched the cartoons on the walls, and the minister impressed a lot to seeing all the cartoons what Walt Disney drawn on the wall. So immediately he observed one important mouse cartoon diagram on the wall that impressed the minister a lot and a lot. So that situation turned the whole life of Walt Disney sir. So because of that, today we are getting wonderful character in the cartoon, that is Mickey Mouse. Everybody knows. So Hollywood level it developed a lot. So everybody knows Mickey Mouse. So how it is possible? Only because of Walt Disney sir. So basically at the first time when he tried to make himself great in cartoons, but he got a number of rejections. Rejections means reject. So number of people rejected him. So but one day, unfortunately, minister watched his drawings on the wall, and from onwards, that situation when it happened. So he became a wonderful cartoonist in his life now, and Mickey Mouse, one of the famous cartoon. Everybody knows about this. So this is Walt Disney sir. So dear students, so this guy also believed himself a lot. Definitely one day I will get a good day to take a turn in my life. So he believed that and he stood strong on that word. So because of that, good thing happened in his life. Now he became a wonderful cartoonist in the world. So that is the God destiny. So we should wait for the right chance and right opportunity to make ourselves good. So until then we should wait with the great patience. So if you maintain that patience, definitely one day we will get one awesome day to make ourselves great. So from that day our life takes develop growth in our life. So that is what we need to believe. Okay students. Next. Successful people don't do great things. They only do small things in a great way. How great line it is. So basically all successful people. So if you have a look into their past, into their life, see all successful people won't do great things in their life. They do small things in a great way. So we should also think in the same manner. We don't need to do great things in our life. So whatever comfortable with us. So what we can do, what we can do, what we are able to do. So that small things we should do in a great way. Then the small work definitely becomes great. So that work makes us successful people in our life. So dear students, what I would like to tell you through this sentence, one more thing. Already I said you in the previous videos, today's works will decide our tomorrow. So we should neglect any work in our life which is going to be happening. So is that a small work or a big work? So we don't see difference between them. We should keep concentration to do small work and big work in the same way. Then only we become good and successful in our life. So here the line is, successful people don't do great things, but they will do small things in a great way. So whatever we are doing, we should do all that things in a great way. Then every work becomes great. So hope you can definitely understand it. Okay. Next, one day a partially deaf 4 years old kid came home with a note in his pocket from his teacher. Your Tommy is too stupid to learn. To get him out of this school. His mother read the note and answered, my Tommy is not stupid to learn. I will teach him myself. And that Tommy grew up to be the great Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison had only 3 months of formal schooling and he was partially deaf. And now we are going to know about such a wonderful personality, that is none other than Thomas Alva Edison. Of course, everybody knows about him because he was a very great scientist. Okay. So what happened in his life? How he became successful person in his life? Let us see here. So one day he went to school. As usual, how we are going to school daily. In the same way, Edison sir also went to school one day. So how he did go to school yesterday? In the same manner he went, and but that day his teacher decided one word about Edison sir. That is, this boy is not able to learn. This boy can't learn anything because he is a deaf person. That's why he is not unable to understand properly what his teachers are telling to him, what his teachers teaching him. So because of that, the teacher decided him he is not able to learn. So he is a stupid Tommy. The word Tommy refers in the line about Edison sir. So he wrote a note and he kept that note in Edison sir pocket. So when Edison sir returned his home after schooling in the evening, immediately his mother, Edison sir mother, read that note and she decided about herself what. So basically my Tom is not stupid. He can learn everything. I can teach to my Tommy with my own self. So because of that attitude, so basically we should thank that mother, so who taught him great in education. So because of absence of mother, so we won't get him great in education. So we don't see his invention. So without his invention, our whole world every day going to be in darkness. So how we are getting light? Because of his great invention. So the whole credit, first of all, I just give his mother who made him great in education. So because of that idea, the mother taught him all things in education to Tommy. Tommy means Edison sir. So Edison sir also learned everything from her mother with a great determination, dedication. So because of that, he gradually improved his education levels, talent levels in himself. Finally, he invented wonderful invention in his life, and it is useful for everyone. So that is bulb. So invented bulb. Without bulb, how would be we are now? Just we can imagine. That is not possible, and that is not easy to lead in the night times without his inventions. So that is the thing happened. Basically, Edison sir is a deaf person. So that is thing. So we should not underestimate anybody. So everyone has a talent. Everyone has a particular talent in themselves. So we should find and we should push them in that way only. So if we can do, everybody becomes successful in their life. But that is not happening by everyone. Because of that, many of the people are losing their life into their life. So that is happening. So here we need to think about that very carefully. So just Edison sir took 3 months formal schooling. So rest of his education he completed from his mother. So mother taught him everything. in education to the Edison sir. So because of his mother, he became a wonderful successful person in his life. So dear students, already everybody knows this. Mother is the first teacher of everyone. So I am. So my teacher, my first teacher is my mother, and as well as your first teachers are your mothers. Definitely everybody knows this. So we can trust strongly, we can do everything that we have to believe. Okay students, I would like to teach you in this video, and we'll continue the story in our next video. Until then everyone, keep smiling and happy and take a good practice. Okay? Thank you.